my god. A road to 1.9. Hopefully. Okay, 2 more energy. Gaster? No. Assassin, are you part of like the Discord, or it's my first time seeing you here? Do you play Axie, Assassin? Oh shiz, we got a bird. I hate birds. That's what she said. Okay. Let's steal some energy. Yep. Okay. Oh, okay. Oh. Damn, my freaking keeps on disabling. Wait. What did they use? Did he use... Oh yeah, he used 2... Right? Yeah, 2 energy. So he has... He has 2... Yeah, 2. I fear... We have not enough cards, guys. We cannot kill him because he's gonna heal. Meaning... Is he gonna use the beast? I don't know. I might as well pass. Yeah, pass. Okay. He has 5. I have 6. Are you part of the Discord yet? Assassin. Assassin, what games do you play? Okay. He's gonna target fastest enemy. He's gonna try to kill my reptile. Or the beast is gonna attack. We don't have cards. Much cards. We don't have cards. Might as well play defense for the beast. For the plant, I mean. We don't have a lot of cards. Shiz. I knew it. Okay. Okay, wait. I need to do calculations. 4, 5. Oh, shiz. Ouchie, wawa. Yo, I didn't cuss. What? Okay, nice. He must be low. He's so low. What are these cards? I'll disable him. He only used one bird. We might get killed by the bird. Just saying. We need to at least leave. Yeah, I think that's good. Yeah, whatever. Oh! Okay. What is that? Oh, we missed 1! Okay, that's okay. At least he has low chances of getting other cards. Meaning we need to play either full... We need to kill him. We cannot live. He cannot live. These 2. He cannot. There's no way. Then we need the numb. Let's play 1 card and also 1 numb for him. There's no way he's gonna live. No way. Shiz. Okay. Ow? Okay. Oh! Bird! Ah! Die now. Okay, at least the bird is dead. Okay, we attack first. Nice. We need him dead. Very dead. Now we can disable him next round. We need him dead. God. Yeah, this is good. Okay, I'm thinking. You really need... Oh. You're dead. You cannot live. You cannot live, plant. No! No way, Jose! Shiz. Okay. At least we still go first. There's no way you live now. There's no way. Wait. One this. Because he's going first. Okay. There's no way he'll live. Yeah, disabled. Nice. Who is this? Who is DBNDTZ? What? Who is this? Alright, 1v1 with the beast. Ha 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 ha. He can only use the piercing sound. Meaning. Let's pay full. Actually, no. We have this. Yeah. Let's just occupy it. Deal damage ASAP. Nice. Bro, everyone say it. But what if he wants to go? What is this? What? Nice. Okay. He cannot live. Nice. He gave up. Nice, nice, nice. You're reaching for the hydrate. Thank you, thank you. Alright, alright. 1870. Oh, 15 SOP.